Hey everybody, Brendan here from the EV and Hybrid Network. Welcome to 2025. So just wanted to give you a quick update on the network. Most of our workshops are back and open and running for the new year. Great example here. So we've just had come in on a tow truck, a Toyota RAV4 hybrid that we've not yet had a look at, but not going into ready mode. And as a lot of dealer workshops are at the moment, a little bit snowed under, so a completely unrealistic timeline trying to get it into Toyota. It is just out of warranty, the RAV4 not being that older model, but yes, it is not going into ready mode, and so we'll be using our Toyota OE software, Toyota Tech Stream, and obviously this one, we're starting to get a few warnings in there saying go to dealer. With a lot of systems that have shut down because we're not able to go into ready mode. So we'll dig into this one. Because this isn't going into ready mode, so something to be aware of, do want to run a 12 volt battery support on here, because without the high voltage system, it's running just on the 12 volt battery. So even while we're doing diag, just sitting there with the ignition on, this thing's drawing almost 13 amps. So that little 12 volt battery, which on the RAV4 lives in the back here in the boot, so if you ever needed to, for whatever reason, to jump start or whatever on your RAV4, we can pull that out, and there's a 12 volt battery in there, but it's much smaller than the equivalent on an ICE engine non-hybrid RAV4. It's not really designed to run the electronics for a long time, so while we dive into this diag, we've got our battery maintainer on there. So quick update here on this RAV4. I've found the fault Toyota online service portal. So this is a different subscription to the scan tool, but we're able to use OE data here. We go through the fault tree for a specific fault code we were getting that related to no communication between the battery control module and the hybrid control module. So using that and following the fault tree, we're going through the circuits, and over here in the kick panel, we've got some moisture in this connector. So definitely some corrosion and moisture building up in there. We'll have to find the source of the moisture to stop that. So we were getting readings of 1,000 volts, 300 amps. The battery management computer inside the high voltage battery was reporting to the high voltage module. Those are obviously impossible numbers, and it's because really we've got a communication fault there with the corrosion. So easily sorted using our OE scan tool, OE data, able to get the vehicle in on the same day that they called up, able to get the car fixed on the same day. I'll get that cleaned up. We'll find where the moisture's coming in, get that sorted so it doesn't happen again. So I'll get stuck into this one. Just wanted to say a quick hi, and if you are having any issues with your hybrid or EV vehicles, or it's time for service, get onto the website there, put your postcode in, and find a member workshop close to you. Thank you.